Humphrey Bogart, the man, my hero. It was because of him I even wanted to do this movie in the first place. And now, I'm drowning my sorrows in a bottle of cow fluids. I never thought it would get this bad. I was in a dark place though. I had everything I needed for the ultimate Humphrey Bogart tribute movie except for a femme fatale.
We're closed.
I hear you're a man who knows how to find people.
I've seen one or two.
I need you to find my fiancée.
There they are.
Are you gonna help me or not?
Look, I already told you. I got a date with a bottle of Old McDonald's finest. Said I'll make like a teenage boy and beat it.
Would you at least keep the picture, just in case you see her later?
Fine. Keep the thing.
Damn.
She was the most beautiful dame I'd ever laid eyes on. I knew she was perfect to be my femme fatale. Fella told me she went by the name of Chris London. Last place anybody saw her was at a real pit called the Tub. All kinds of scum like to fester down in that place. One fella in particular, a regular, goes by the name of Mr. Sacco, was a close personal friend of mine. I decided it was about time I paid him a visit.
Alright, Sacco. What do you know about the London dame? What's the matter, Sacco? Somebody stuff a sock in it? Alright, that's fine. You keep quiet on me. But if I find out you were involved in this, I'm coming back for you.
Well, Mr. Saki, you didn't talk, did you?
No, boss. Didn't say a word. He'll be back, though. Do you want me to take care of him?
No, Mr. Saki. I'll take care of that myself. But first, I have a few loose threads that I need to take care of.
What do you mean? What's the... Ah!
Ha 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 ha!
With my only lead having clammed up on me, I decided it was time to give up. I preferred watching TV to actually doing stuff anyway. But it looks like somebody didn't count on me being a lazy bum. I woke up and my head felt like somebody was playing the bongo drums at a slam poetry jam. Then I realized that banging was coming from outside my head.
Good.
What cold-hearted bitch did this to you?
You!
Me? So I'm a femme fatally.
I haven't fed my gerbils in 3 days.
So that's how it happened. I wanted to be Humphrey Bogart so badly I didn't care if I became the villain of one of these pictures. I can forget it though. It's Chinatown. Wait a minute. Chinatown wasn't a Humphrey Bogart movie. It doesn't need to be. I was a crazy person. A crazy person looking at kidnapping and assault charges. Here's looking at you, charges. Here's looking at you, kid.